Monday, the 3rd of November 2025. Episode 60. Mowgli visits Nandini, they plan home tasks. Kunal gets angry over stalled electricity work and leaves. Nandini calls an electrician, preparing for her last night at the house. Tuesday, the 4th of November 2025. Episode 61. Nandini shifts to her new home and hosts a housewarming party. Rajdeep's lawyer Singhania lives in the same building, and Rajdeep plots to trouble Nandini. Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025. Episode 62. At the housewarming party, everyone plays truth or dare. Kunal sings to lift spirits, and Nandini drinks champagne, getting a bit tipsy. The group enjoys the fun before leaving. Thursday, the 6th of November 2025. Episode 63. Kunal gifts Nandini a statue symbolizing independence. When Rajdeep tries to enter, she bravely shuts him out. Meanwhile, tensions with Mowgli push Kunal to escape to a conference in Pune. Monday, the 10th of November 2025. Episode 64. Conflicted, Nandini decides to leave town to avoid betraying Mowgli. But as she's about to board the bus, Kunal arrives, stops her, and confesses his deep love for her. Tuesday, the 11th of November 2025. Episode 65. Kunal comforts Nandini and stays longer than planned, but Mowgli's surprise visit puts them at risk. Nandini quickly covers up Kunal's presence to stop Mowgli from discovering the truth. Wednesday, the 12th of November 2025. Episode 66. Nandini narrowly avoids suspicion when Mowgli visits, while Kunal lies about his whereabouts. The next day, during Janmashtami preparations, Dida asks Kunal to call Nandini on speaker. Thursday, the 13th of November 2025. Episode 67. During the Janmashtami celebration, Mowgli and Nandini arrive in matching red saris. After the event, Kunal is asked to drop Nandini home, but Mowgli's sudden decision to join creates tension. Friday, the 14th of November 2025. Episode 68. Rajdeep forces his way into Nandini's home, leading her to call the police and file a restraining order. Mowgli and Kunal feel guilty, but Mowgli later spots Nandini out and about, despite her claims that she's unwell. Monday, the 17th of November 2025. Episode 69. Mayank's surprise marriage stirs family drama until Kunal restores peace. At the wedding, Mowgli confronts Nandini for lying, but tensions rise when Mowgli's mother publicly insults and expels her. Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025. Episode 70. After being humiliated at Mayank's wedding, Nandini leaves in distress. Kunal follows and finds her terrified at home. As he comforts her, their bond deepens, while Mowgli grows suspicious. Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. Episode 71. Mowgli questions Kunal about his absence during the wedding, then invites Nandini for Ganpati celebrations. Nandini gifts a Ganesh idol, causing tension until Kunal diffuses the situation. Thursday, the 20th of November 2025. Episode 72. During Ganpati celebrations at Kunal and Mowgli's house, Kunal secretly does aarti with Nandini, shocking Chakor. Amid family drama, Rajdeep attempts to poison Mowgli, while Zoya discovers numerous photos of Nandini. Monday, the 24th of November 2025. Episode 74. Kunal's intimate dance with Nandini sparks family anger. Mowgli forces Nandini into a competition. Rajdeep plots revenge, but Kunal saves her and confronts Rajdeep. Wednesday, the 26th of November 2025. Episode 76. Mowgli struggles with Kunal and Nandini's bond but chooses to trust them. Rajdeep plots against them, while Kunal and Nandini meet at the beach, coinciding with Mowgli seeking Ganpati's blessings. Thursday, the 27th of November 2025. Episode 77. Mowgli trusts Kunal and Nandini despite Rajdeep's schemes. Kunal and Nandini meet at a cafe and later at the beach for Visarjan, where Mowgli also arrives, seeking Ganpati's blessings. Friday, the 28th of November 2025. Episode 78. Mowgli is heartbroken seeing Kunal with Nandini and confronts him about his love and broken trust, while Nandini faces Rajdeep's threats at home. Premiere episodes of Uzozi Sola Regrets air on E.TV from Mondays to Fridays at 20h30.